If you explore Amazon thoroughly, you'll discover it's akin to a treasure trove brimming with incredible gadgets and cutting-edge technology. These innovative and distinctive gadgets offer both entertainment and practicality. Therefore, in today's video, we'll present to you the 10 coolest gadgets available on Amazon that you can actually purchase. Let's dive in!
Introducing the Rolling Square Towel, a solution to the all-too-familiar frustration of running out of battery at the most inconvenient times. Behold the world's smallest power bank, a miniature marvel weighing a mere 1.4 ounces, compact enough to rival a car key fob. Despite its size, this powerhouse of a device boasts a capacity of 1,400 mAh, delivering a robust charge that can power up your iPhone 13 Pro by up to 50%. Equipped with both USB-C and micro-USB cables, the Rolling Square Towel ensures compatibility with a wide array of devices, be it the latest smartphone or a reliable tablet. Don't be deceived by its petite appearance, this little dynamo has got you covered. With its patented docking station, simply place it in, and it's ready to charge up for your next adventure. All this cutting-edge technology is available at an affordable price of $29. In this age dominated by smartphones, we often prioritize technology over the well-being and comfort of our eyes. Now, however, you have the opportunity to grant your precious eyes a well-deserved break with the RENPHO Eye Massager. This innovative headset-style massager, featuring a row of soft cushions, provides a soothing rolling massage sensation, relieving the strain accumulated during extended screen time. What sets the RENPHO Eye Massager apart is its combination of trigger point pressure and built-in heating pads, offering a temperature range of up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This dynamic duo works synergistically to alleviate eye strain, puffiness, dryness, and more. Additionally, the massager is equipped with built-in Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to effortlessly connect it to your smartphone. Imagine enjoying its therapeutic benefits even during long flights, ensuring your eyes remain relaxed and rejuvenated. Elevate your smartphone videography to professional levels with the Pivo Pod One. This nifty gadget is here to simplify your creative process and enhance your content creation experience. With features such as auto zoom, target exposure, snap to capture, and more, the Pivo Pod One empowers you to produce stunning videos effortlessly. Thanks to Pivo's auto tracking system, you can move freely without any restrictions, allowing you to capture dynamic shots with ease. Unleash your creativity with 12 quick create modes that open up a world of possibilities. So, why wait? Go hands-free and embark on a journey of recording silky smooth videos with the Pivo Pod One. Weighing in at just 53 grams, the small aerial camera drone is as light as a golf ball and easily fits in the palm of your hand. Compact, convenient, and safe, it becomes your ideal travel companion for capturing images and videos of your cherished memories. The 12-megapixel camera ensures that the content it produces will leave you thoroughly satisfied. Equipped with AI-powered autofly technology, the Air Neo transforms your ordinary drone experience into something truly magical. No more tedious setup processes, the Air Neo takes care of it for you. Instantly share your captivating content directly to social media, thanks to the Air Neo's seamless integration with the Neo app. The app not only serves as a gallery for storing all your content but also allows you to post related material across various social platforms. Experience powerful performance with 16 GB of memory, ensuring a smooth flight and stable hovering for sharp imagery. Take advantage of hands-free operation and enter multiple autofly modes for wide and zoomed images. Customize your modes using the app and follow step-by-step instructions for a user-friendly experience. For those who prefer to be their own master pilot, the advanced smartphone controller, compatible with both Android and iOS, lets you take control of your Air Neo to compose creative images and videos effortlessly. Indulge in the refreshing taste of sparkling water anytime, anywhere, courtesy of the OTE Sparkling Water Maker. This portable gadget is perfect for concocting fancy cocktails, tea, juice, or coffee, and the best part is, it doesn't require any power source. Instead, it operates on easily replaceable gas cartridges. To enjoy your sparkling, bubbling water, simply fill the device with water, insert the gas cartridge, and twist, voila! Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, you can carry it with you everywhere, whether you're on a picnic, camping, or relaxing by the beach. The double-layer PET design ensures durability, and the double pressure relief valve automatically detects and releases internal pressure within half a second, ensuring your safety while in operation. For lovers of fizzy water, the OTE Sparkling Water Maker is undeniably the top choice. Once upon a time, the Brazilian radio station Band FM attempted to use sound at 15 kHz to repel mosquitoes. However, scientists quickly dismissed the idea as nonsense, stating there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that ultrasound works against mosquitoes. So, if you're a Band FM listener dealing with mosquito bites, you might want to consider trying Vibis Apply, a gadget designed to alleviate pain, itching, and other unpleasant sensations caused by insect bites. Vibis Apply also provides relief from stings by bees, ants, and other insects. The concept is straightforward. The gadget applies heat to the bite, which helps break down toxins faster. It is effective and reasonably priced at $23. When was the last time you cleaned the inside of your computer? What if there are creatures living in there, akin to Agent K's closet from Men in Black? Cleaning becomes effortless with this $34 gadget that spins at speeds of up to 110,000 RPM. You can choose from 5 nozzles, simply press a button, and you're ready to start. The gadget offers 3 speeds and includes a built-in backlight for added convenience. After cleaning, it can also be useful for inflating an airbed, yoga ball, or similar items. The average Czech citizen consumes 84 liters of beer annually. Considering this, the creators of Draft Top Lift should consider tapping into the Czech market. They offer a can opener that effortlessly removes the top of aluminum cans without any hassle. There's no need for a plastic cup either. Draft Top Lift is user-friendly for left-handed people and can be conveniently stored in your pockets. It's a fun way to spend $22. If your pets have knocked over their feeder, enjoyed a feast, and are now lounging on the couch, it's time to consider the Air Automatic Feeder. This feeder is designed so that even if it gets tipped over, the food stays in place. Additionally, the control panel is safeguarded from paws by a special lid. It can hold up to 2 liters of feed and dispenses it up to 6 times a day. The feeder can be powered by mains electricity or D batteries, with the battery lasting for 180 days. The basic model is priced at $50, but there are also pricier and fancier options available, such as versions with cameras or activation by an RFID collar. Introducing STRYD, a runner's sensor that operates independently of smartphones and GPS. Attach it to your running shoes to accurately record data with laboratory precision. STRYD takes into account terrain, running speed, fatigue, and even wind, allowing you to train based on power, similar to cyclists. Whether you're already familiar with the Norwegian method or just starting out, STRYD is an excellent tool for learning to run effectively. A set of 2 sensors with a 1-year subscription is priced at $367.
And this concludes our list of the 10 cool gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.